Good afternoon once again. Our topic it's all about UDL or Universal Design for Learning. So if you talk about a UDL or Universal Design for Learning, it is educational framework that aims to optimize teaching and learning for all students by addressing learner variability. So we have here the core principles of UDL. The first one is engagement, representation, and expression. So the first one is engagement. So as a teacher, before we start for your discussion, you need to engage first in your students to your discussion. In short, what you are going to do, so you need to engage, you need to make a motivation before we start for your discussion. So that motivation are relate to your topic and also connect to the real world situation. So that is engagement. Before we start for your discussion, you need to engage first in your student to your topic. In short, you need to make a motivation. The second one is a representation. So as a teacher, before we stand at the front of your class, you need to be always ready as a teacher. You need to present your discussion. You need to deliver your explanation in a clear, exact, and use a concise language. That is the representation. The second one is expression. So if you talk about expression, is not only you as a teacher stand at the front of your class, but also you need to consider the different opinion or the different ideas coming from your student to speak her or his opinion regardless of your topic. So the next one is goal of UDL. There are two types also for goal of UDL. The first one is promote inclusive education and improve outcomes. So if you talk about promote inclusive education, as whatever the styles or whatever the abilities or whatever the cultural background coming from your students, you need to be considered and understand as a teacher, right? So that is promote inclusive education. You need to implement always inside your classroom the fairness and respect to each and everyone. The next is improve outcomes. So as a teacher, what you are going to do to improve the performance or to improve the outcomes of your students, to improve the abilities of your students. So during the discussion, you need to insert to your explanation or you need to insert to your example that connect to the real world situation. So that's the best way to improve the performance or to improve outcomes of your students. The last is benefits of UDL. There are two types also for benefits of UDL. The first is support diverse learners and encourage innovation teaching. So the first is support diverse learners. So if you talk about support diverse learners, is like for example, inside the classroom, you are given the tasks to your students, and that tasks are individually present here at the front of the class. So whatever the presentation or whatever the expression coming from your students, you need to be considered and understand it as a teacher, right? So if you talk about support diverse learners, is whatever the expression, whatever the presentation coming from your students, regardless of your topic, you need to be considered and understand as a teacher. The last one is encourage innovation teaching. So if you talk about encourage innovation teaching, as there are by providing flexible, adaptable, and effective for all learners. So what is the best thing to achieve a flexible, adaptable, and effective for all learners? The best thing is as a teacher, you need to implement the rules and regulation, or you need to implement the rules and policies inside your classroom, that no discrimination and no bullying inside the classroom. Maintain respect and kindness to each and everyone, and that rule are officially implemented inside the classroom. The students are confident to raise her or his opinion regardless of your topic. So that is encourage innovation and teaching by providing a flexible, adaptable, and effective for all learners. So in conclusion, so UDL is a proactive approach to making learning accessible and effective for all, and applying UDL principles educators can better meet diverse learning needs. So UDL, Universal Design for Learning, in the other hand, talks about the development for teachers, talks about the development for learners. So the main point or the main purpose of this topic is uh, talks about the development, both learners and teachers.